So today, let's learn some basic German greetings and politeness. We are working with this. Yeah, so I'm going to be helping you with the pronunciation of these words. So German greetings and politeness. So you listen to me, pay attention to how I'm pronouncing these words, and you repeat after me. Okay, let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to follow this account. Okay, yeah, share with people you know are learning German. Save this video so you can watch over and over again till you fully get the concept of German greetings. And most importantly, don't forget to drop my thank you in the comment section. So if you're ready like I am, let's get started. Good job. So the first one is Hallo. Hallo, which means hello. Good. This is one of the most commonly used greetings in German because it is used any time of the day. It can be used any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, in the evening. Yeah, hello goes any time of the day. Then to the next word we have hi. Hi, good, which means hi. Okay, so you know these Gen Zs, this modern time, you would hear something like hi, good. And then we have Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen, good, which means good morning. This is a time specific greeting, so you only use it in the morning. Okay, good job. And then the next word is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. So this word has two meanings basically, which means hello and good day. Germans would usually use good day instead of good afternoon. So but then this can also be used any time of the day. If you're in a more formal setting, you can use Guten Tag instead of saying hello. Okay, yeah, now you need to pay attention to this word. The pronunciation of G in this word is K, Tag. You don't say tag, it is Tag, good. And then to the next word, which is good evening, we say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Now D, remember I always say when you have D ending a German word, it would usually sound T. So we say Guten Abend, good, which means good evening. This is also time specific. You use it in the evening. And then when you are about going to bed, you say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht, which means good night. Now you need to pay attention. It is not guten. There's no N at the end. It is Gute Nacht. There's a reason for this. So, but then just learn it that way. Gute Nacht. You don't say Guten Nacht. No. You don't do that. And then to some regional greetings, we have Servus. Servus means hi and bye. So it depends on context. If you get to a place, you can say Servus, which would mean hi. And also when you are leaving, you can also use Servus, which in this context would mean bye. So this greeting is mostly used in southern Germany and Austria. So we have Servus, and then to Grüß dich, Grüß Sie, and Grüß Gott. This means hello. Hello. So formally you use Grüß Sie, and then informally you use Grüß dich. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to save this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.